Hello, my fellow 95 warriors, and welcome to the Productivity Lounge. Things are about to get interesting on this channel. As you all know, when we branded the Productivity Lounge, we have been creating content tailored to the 9 to 5 worker. But then I sat in my house during the weekend and this idea came to me. Why not do a series for people like students or people who want to get into 9 to 5 work but do not know how to prep, what to do to be able to apply for the jobs that they need, where to look for these jobs that they need, everything that they need to know before their first job. Hence the name of the series, the 9 to 5 Prep Guide, everything you need to know before your first job. Now we're going to go deep dive into how to find the perfect job for you, where and how to apply, and so many other topics that will come as a result of this series. I am so excited because this is something that I wish I had when I was applying for my job in 2018. So I started working in 2019, so I've been working for, I don't know the maths, do the maths and tell me the comments down below, but I've been working since 2019 and this 2025. But even when I applied for my first job, I had no idea. So I've had 3 jobs. I'm in my 3rd job right now. And even when applying for this job, I still did not know, neither did I implement all the things that I'm about to talk about in this series. So I believe that this series is about to really help, especially students, those who don't have mentors, students who don't have anybody to really orientate them. And even if you are already a 9 to 5 worker, but then you want to change your job to get something better for yourself, you still need to know how to position yourself so that they can see that you are the person for this job. And how do you do that? By watching this series. So I'm excited and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you, and I'm looking forward to your subscriptions, because how will you get to see my content if you do not subscribe and hit the notification bell? So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Go watch our other videos and like and comment so that YouTube can see that people like the Productivity Lounge. You know that you vibe with our content, you like what we do, and you want us to keep reaching more and more people who deserve to see this. Is wherever our community is, help us to be able to reach them, because again, I believe that the Productivity Lounge is about to do the Lord's work. In fact, it has been doing the Lord's work. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe and stay tuned for the beginning of an incredible series. I love you. Mwah.